Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are learning selection tool. So under the selection tool we are going to see this polygon tool. This one is polygon tool. So as its name suggests, it is for polygon drawing. Now once again let's delete this layer, the first one, and then press yes. Now again copy this and paste here. Press Ctrl and then drag it like this. Now let's start using polygon tool. So here in the polygon tool, what you can do, you have to press the left mouse like this. Automatically it will come with you, and keep pressing at the point. Remember, in case of lasso tool, if you leave the mouse, then it automatically gets selected. But here there is not like this. You keep pressing the point, just keep clicking and moving your mouse like this. It is more of like sticky. Keep clicking, click, and then when you reach at the end point, double click this. At the end point you double click this. Okay, now you can see it got selected. You can see it got selected, right? Now again Control Shift I, Control Shift I, that means inverse selection. Control Shift I, inverse selection. Alright, now delete, press delete. So once again we have panicked and it got deselected. Again check this tool, this polygon tool, and Control plus. If you want to remove this intersection, then keep pressing. Double click at last. Now press delete. So the selection area got deleted. And then move tool. Now you can see it got deleted. So you saw that how you can use this polygon tool for selection. And the difference between lasso tool and polygon tool is that in lasso tool you have to drag the mouse continuously until you reach to the end point. But in case of polygon tool, if you keep clicking and reach to the end point and at last double click, then it gets selected. Now this one is magnetic lasso tool. So I will show you that in the next video. So stay connected and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.